Hi everyone to my YouTube channel with a new interesting video about the Venus. What is the primary reason Venus has high surface temperature? Answer: greenhouse effect. Explanation: Venus has a extreme greenhouse effect caused by its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere trapping heat and raising surface temperature to about 475 centigrade or 900 Fahrenheit. Which spaceship was the first to successfully transmit images from the Venus surface? Answer: Veneria 9. Explanation: the Soviet Union Veneria 9 transmitted the first images from the Venus surface in 1975, enduring Venus extreme conditioning for 53 minutes. Why does Venus lack a sufficient magnetic field? Answer: slow rotation and solidified core. Explanation: Venus' slow rotation and potentially solid and weakly converting core prevent it from generating a strong magnetic field through the dynamic effect. What is the atmospheric pressure on the Venus compared to Earth? Answer: about 92 times higher than Earth. Explanation: the atmospheric pressure on Venus is extremely high, equivalent to being about 900 meters underwater on Earth. MCQs number 6. Venus thick cloud cover primarily consists of what compound? Answer: sulfuric acid. Explanation: Venus clouds are made of highly reflected sulfuric acid droplets which also contribute to its bright appearance and acid rain in the upper atmosphere. Excuse number 7. What is the most likely reason Venus has very few impact craters compared to other rocky planets? Answer: volcanic resurfacing. Explanation: Venus' surface is primarily resurfaced by extensive volcanic activity which raises impact craters over time. Excuse number 9. What evidence suggests Venus may have ongoing volcanic activity? Answer: detection of fluctuation sulfur dioxide levels in the atmosphere. Explanation: sulfur dioxide level in Venus atmosphere change over time, possibly due to volcanic eruptions such as recent or ongoing volcanic activity. Excuse number 10. Why is the surface of Venus almost uniformly young, estimately at around 300 to 500 million years old? Answer: catastrophically resurfacing event. Explanation: Venus' surface appears uniformly young because it may have undergone catastrophically resurfacing, possibly from planet-wide volcanic activity. Excuse number 11. What unusual atmospheric phenomenon occurs in the cloud of Venus? Answer: lightning. Explanation: Venus has lightning in its thick sulfuric acid clouds despite the lack of water-based weather though its weather weaker than Earth lightning. What is the solar day length on the Venus? One full day night cycle related to the Sun. Answer: 117 Earth days. Explanation: due to its retrograde rotation and orbit, a solar day on the Venus one sunrise to next take about 117 Earth days. MCQ number 13. What element in Venus atmosphere is produced by volcanic and chemical process and contribute to its cloud formation? Answer. Sulfur. Explanation. Sulfur compounds are produced by volcanic outgoing gassing on Venus and from sulfur dioxide clouds, impacting atmospheric chemistry and cloud formation. MCQ number 14. How does Venus' lack of a moon potentially affect its rotation? Answer. It may contribute to a slow retrograde rotation. Explanation. Without a moon, Venus lacks tidal force that could stabilize its rotation, possibly contributing to its unique retrograde spin. MCQ number 15. Why is Venus one of the brightest objects in the night sky? Answer. A thick reflective cloud cover. Explanation. Venus' thick sulfuric acid clouds are highly reflective, bouncing back around 70% of sunlight, making it very bright as seen from the sun from Earth. Excuse number 16. Venus rotation period is about 243 Earth days, making it slowest rotating planet. How does it affect its day and night temperature variation? Answer. Minimal temperature variation due to a thick atmosphere. Explanation. Venus' thick atmosphere retain heat so effectively that day and night surface temperature are at most the same. Excuse number 17. What feature on Venus is similarly in size to North America and is the largest volcanic region on the planet? Answer. Aphrodite Terra. Explanation. Aphrodite Terra is the largest high land area on Venus, containing large volcanic plains and mountain region roughly the size of North America. MCQs number 18. Why can radar imaging penetrate Venus thin clouds to reveal surface detail? Answer. Radar wavelength can pass through thick clouds. Explanation. Radar can penetrate the thick sulfuric clouds on Venus, allowing spacecraft like Magellan to map its surface detail. MCQs number 19. What causes Venus atmosphere to exhibit strong greenhouse warming more than any other planet? Answer. High carbon dioxide level with thick cloud. Explanation. Venus atmosphere is 96.5% carbon dioxide and its thick cloud cover traps heat effectively, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Excuse number 20. What does the presence of deuterium in Venus atmosphere suggest about its history? Answer. Venus likely had significant water that was lost. Explanation. The high deuterium to hydrogen ratio indicate that Venus once has water which was likely to lost to space over time due to solar radiation. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel The Knowledge Hub and click the bell button to get notifications about my new videos.